What's going on? Just want to do a quick update video on the GoPro protective case. This is my first action camera, and I did buy the protective case since we were going to the beach. And honestly, this was amazing. I like it a lot, but I did learn a couple things about this that were very important. So first of all, this is really good for obviously protecting your GoPro, giving a little bit extra protection if you are planning on going on deeper water. I was only in a few feet of water the whole time, probably didn't need it, but the main reason I got it was just to keep the sand out of my camera in any way. I mean, you do have some of these microphone holes here and audio holes, speakers, stuff like that. So I just really didn't want any sand coming anywhere near my GoPro, and this absolutely did the job. It was great. I never got one grain of sand literally inside of my GoPro the whole time we were on vacation for 5 days. So it was really good. One thing that I learned that was really important, so when I first was using this camera, after a day at the beach, no problems the first day at all. That night, I rinsed my camera protective casing off just because it was exposed to salt water, chlorine, stuff like that. So I just wanted to wash everything off of it just to keep it clean. And since those are harsh chemicals and stuff like that. So the mistake I made was when I did clean it, I cleaned the outside of my case, of course. And then I could just show you when I did it, I opened up the case and I actually rinsed the inside. I don't really know why I did that. I just opened this up, rinsed the inside, rinsed the outside. And what happened the next day was some of that water was retained, I think, on this foam right here. So I did get some fogging on the back side here. So of course, that was because there was moisture in there. It took me, that one day to learn, oh, I think it's because I washed the inside. So the next day I did not do it. I kept this closed, rinsed the outside, and then I had no fogging issues the following day. So I'm gonna test that out again just to make sure, but it happened one time. And I think that was the only issue and the reason why it caused it. Just had some moisture in there. Obviously the heat from the outside caused some fogging. So that was the only thing that I really needed to learn. And now that I know it, definitely won't happen again. So also wanted to show you a quick video on how clear this is, even if it's on the playback right here, of just beating the water. So this is a video that I have with the protective casing in and using it underwater. And you can just see how well it works above and below water. All right, as you can see, beads off very easily, very quickly. Never had any water hanging up on the lens of the protective casing as well. It was always a crystal clear shot, and I'm very happy about that because we use this for the majority of the time in the water, in the pool or at the beach. So I'm very happy with this protective casing. This is a awesome camera. I definitely want to protect it, and this protective casing has definitely done the job, and I'm very happy I bought it, and definitely think you should get it for your GoPro if you want to just make sure you keep it safe out of the water and away from sand.